From Mike Cuevas, paano nyo na-build yung ganyang wisdom as a person and as a trader? Go!
Naniwala kasi ako sa sinasabi nung nabasa ko lang to, but yung fail fast.
Fail fast.
Fail fast, tapos kapag, kung it's a losing proposition na, talagang, cut loss na, tapos learn from it. Tapos, version 2, version 3, version 4, until such time na, uy, puta, nagkakaroon na ako ng momentum, nagiging okay na ako. So, ganun. Doon ko nakuha yung wisdom ko siguro, and knowledge.
Yung akin, just learn to listen. Diba? Listen. Kasi nga, may ganun quote, diba? Parang if you're just speaking, you're just saying the same thing. Parang may ganun eh.
You're just repeating.
You're just repeating what you know. Diba ganun? If you're learning, diba? Tapos, there are so many resources out there, diba? Hindi lang naman kailangan meron kang direct mentor. It could be indirect mentors, diba? Books, mga videos, and all. So yun siguro. Saka, experience, you really have to experience it eh. May tinuturo ko na sa Clarity na parang I was talking to them about yung wisdom na level, which is nasa pinakadulo na. Let's say you attended the seminar or a workshop. Yung mga yun, even if it's spoken out of wisdom ng mga ibang tao na yun, kasi they've experienced it, diba? Yun kasi bridge eh. Pagbalik sa'yo, lang ulit yan, knowledge and information lang yan, diba? You have to be able to apply it, process it, diba? Go through it para maging wisdom din siya. So, it's really all about giving kung ano man yung natutunan o nabasa, giving it out siguro.
So, anyway, yung sa akin about trading wisdom, well, definitely through experience, but wisdom kasi is something na knowing what not to do. So, parang ganito siya. Sabi nila, di ba, knowledge is knowing that tomato is a fruit. Wisdom is knowing not to put it in a fruit salad. Knowledge is knowing how to swim. Wisdom is knowing not to swim with the sharks because baka maputulan ka ng paa, baka makain ka, no? So basically that's it. Hindi pa rin marami ka nabasa, that's just knowledge eh. Yung marami ka nabasa, you're just acquiring knowledge. Now, wisdom comes from a lot of experience para alam mo na kung ano yung mga hindi mo gagawin. There's a story, Brad. There's a story about siguro I'm sure alam niyo na tong story na to, but there's a big ship and it's been translated, modified na, but ito yung gist ng story. Meron daw isang malaking ship, tapos hindi nila malaman yung sira. Now, nagtawag sila ng technician doon sa ship na yon. Tapos sabi ng tinignan ng technician yung problema. Sabi niya, okay, ito yung charge ko. Let's say 1 million pesos. Sa big ship eh. Big ship, mala Titanic, mala cruise ship. Okay, sige, kailangan na namin eh. Kailangan namin to kasi kailangan namin patakbo, masisira yung business namin, masisira yung barko pagka hindi natin ito Ang ginawa ng technician, Brad, ano ba tawag sa technician ng kotse? Ano ba Tagalog nun? Mekaniko. Ang ginawa ng mekaniko, kumuha lang siya ng isang screwdriver, tapos meron lang siyang kinalikot ng konti or tinap doon sa ship na yon. Gumandar na ulit yung ship. So that's wisdom, 'di ba? Knowing what to tap, 'di ba? Sabi ng ship captain, "Oh, ayun lang yung ginawa mo. Ayun lang yung ginawa mo, 1 million na 'yon." 'Di ba? So it's not about pwede niyang kalikutin lahat, pero knowing which one to tap, that's wisdom for me. So that's why yung impact is like that. Kumbaga ano lang yung mga bagay na mayroong impact talaga sa trading mo. Kumbaga kinuha na lahat kasi lahat ng trading knowledge hindi mo naman yan i-apply in one go. Let's say nagbasa ka ng 1,000 books, which was my goal before, pero sabi ko hindi pala pwede. So kumbaga parang knowing which one to use dun sa mga trading knowledge mo or not to use. Diba? That's wisdom. Yung pagtapon. Yung unlearning part.
Gataling.
So yun nga, diba? Knowledge is knowing that tomato is a fruit. Wisdom is knowing not to put it in a fruit salad. So I hope ay nasagot namin yung tanong mo. But you need wisdom to attain clarity, And clarity is
Power!